Now, if you are not after, if you cannot introduce anything new, just try to protect revenue from existing customers.
100 webinars. We just can't stop.
Works Love Made Visible. Organizations across 9 countries and 4 continents. The blended learning,
Team engagement,
and our podcast to be called Hello World. Talk about habits of excellence, hustling in this VUCA world, entrepreneurship, lessons in running and managing a business, leading people, creating that vision, communicating effectively, have that right attitude, right mindset, the right outlook, no matter what happens around us in life. Great work.
How many times have you met with your customers in the past weeks? How many times have you had engagements with them in the past weeks? Kumustahan, schedule a kumustahan video call. What is your business agenda? The business agenda can just be also learning how are your dealers, distributors, partners, and customers, key accounts coping with this crisis. Di ba? Eh, syempre, kailangan may business agenda ako. So, ang business agenda ko, I offered free webinars. So, yung free webinars, sino ang ayaw ng free webinars? So, a lot of companies responded, and then I hopped into meetings with them to explore their free webinar request, and then you build the relationship, eh. Diba? And they appreciate it. Diba? That you have something value add like that. And I'm able to cross-sell and upsell. Na kumuha na sila ng free webinar. Tapos, they have other topics in mind. Sabi, Louie, we want other topics, other courses. Okay, we will give you a very affordable quotation. For those who are in renewal business like insurance or HMO, kailangan hindi na mawala yung mga accounts natin na magre-renew sa atin. Okay? And I'm really thinking, especially for Jay in the food business, what else is value adding? What else is something that we can offer to our clients that may not be directly related to your product or service? Yung iba nga, ang ginagawa nga ng iba, nagpo-provide din sila ng mga similar talks, webinars on health and wellness. Yan, no? They will talk to the decision maker. Can we do a 30-minute health and wellness thing? And then the next 10 to 15 minutes will be plugging. Just making sure that your clients, your accounts feel your presence at hindi ka nakakalimutan. Kasi wala ngang face-to-face interaction. Ang iniiwasan natin, yung out of sight, out of mind. Look at your existing accounts and pipelines as well. Okay? So I assume that you're familiar with pipeline management. You have this. I will show the sales cycle, sales funnel later. Look at your existing accounts and ask how can we push to win and close and even reduce the length of the sales cycle. Siyempre, depende sa product, yung sales cycle. Depende sa volume. Okay? When I say sales cycle, okay, this is from lead generation all the way to closing. Babalik ako din sa worksheet kanina, identifying new opportunities. Or baka meron tayong mga clients or segments that are less or not affected by the crisis. Or who are still looking for alternative suppliers. I will use training as an example. There are companies where workforce is very demotivated as of this point. And it is now an opportunity for us to do an inspirational talk with them. Yung technical demonstration ng product, you can find how can you utilize a webinar or a video call like this to be able to demonstrate the product. It may not be the real thing. It can be the second best thing. But right now, it is just what we have.
Hi, this is Louie Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar, and to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.